Let's dive into the science of Stoicism. Give me 1 minute and I'll show you how to master the 4 cardinal virtues that can transform your life. We all face challenges and uncertainties in life, which can sometimes leave us feeling overwhelmed, anxious, or lost. Wouldn't it be great if there was a philosophy that could guide us towards inner strength and tranquility, no matter what life throws our way? Well, that's where Stoicism comes in. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy originating from Zeno of Cyprus, offers us a profound solution. It teaches us 4 cardinal virtues that can serve as a compass to navigate through life's complexities. The first virtue is practical wisdom. This is the ability to navigate life's challenges with a logical, informed, and calm approach. It's about making sound decisions and seeing the bigger picture, even in times of uncertainty. For example, when facing a difficult decision, a Stoic will analyze the situation objectively, weigh the consequences, and act in accordance with their principles, rather than succumbing to emotions or external pressures. The second virtue is temperance. It's the practice of self-restraint and moderation in all aspects of life. A Stoic cultivates discipline, avoiding excessive indulgence in pleasures or desires. By practicing temperance, we develop a sense of inner balance and control over our impulses. For instance, instead of succumbing to instant gratification, a Stoic will choose moderation in their actions and embrace a balanced lifestyle. The third virtue is justice. Stoics believe in treating others with fairness and empathy, even in difficult circumstances. It's about recognizing the humanity in every individual and choosing compassion over cruelty. For example, when dealing with someone who has wronged them, a Stoic will strive to understand their perspective and respond with fairness and forgiveness, seeking to mend relationships rather than seeking revenge. The fourth and final virtue is courage. Stoicism teaches us to face challenges, both big and small, with clarity and integrity. It's not just about heroic acts, but demonstrating bravery in our daily lives. For instance, a Stoic will stand up for what is right, even if it means facing criticism or adversity, and will tackle challenges head-on with unwavering determination. In conclusion, mastering the 4 cardinal virtues of Stoicism, practical wisdom, temperance, justice, and courage, can empower us to lead a life of resilience, inner peace, and virtuous living. By applying these principles, we can navigate life's uncertainties with a sense of purpose and grace, making the most of every situation that comes our way. So, embrace the wisdom of Stoicism and unlock your true potential.